Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can create YouTube thumbnails using Canva. Create a design and select YouTube thumbnail. This will just make designing your YouTube thumbnail like a lot easier. So for instance, I'm just going to choose this template. Maybe not. Let's find the one that I can actually use. Vlog. Let's see. I can use this. Then I'm just going to change the text a day in my life as a YouTuber, for instance. You can also change the picture here if you like. I'm just going to go to elements and find like a picture of a camera, because like vlogging, you know. Just going to select, for instance, this one and drag it inside. And I can even move that around a little and resize it so it doesn't look that awkward. And you can even change the colors of the elements if you like. For instance, maybe you like the color pink a little bit better. You can do that for sure. I'm just going to do that for most of it. You can then select change all to change everything. I'm just going to change this one too. And let's see. Maybe purple. Then select change all to change every part of it. Like so. And that's pretty much how you can create a YouTube thumbnail in Canva. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!